Good day again, everyone. So for today, since tayo ay nasa lockdown and walang pasok dahil situation natin of the aftermath of Typhoon Ulysses, so for us to at least learn something, okay? So let's go. For our session for today, we have going to have ratio and proportion. This is an introduction. Okay, so wag na tayong paligo-ligo. Let's go. So ang ating lesson will be, it will be delivered unto you through English at saka Tagalog. Okay, what is ratio? A ratio is a comparison or simplified form of two quantities of the same kind. Okay, next. A ratio shows relative sizes of two or more values. So when we see ratios, it is composed of two or more values. Okay, to understand further, okay, so magkakaroon tayo ng examples as we go on with this instructional video. Let's go. So ratios can be shown by using a colon. So this is a colon. Okay, using a colon to separate values. Okay, so let's have the example here. 1:2. We read this as 1:2. 2:3. A:B. 7:3. Okay, let's see. Next. Okay, using a slash. Okay, you have a slash there to separate one value from the total. Okay, remember, itong slash na ito, this is the one we are using kahit yung sa ating, as a fractional bar. Di ba sa fraction bar natin? Sa fraction bar, ginagamit din natin ang slash. Because ratios can also be expressed as fractions. Okay, we have here 1/2 or 1/2, 2/3 or 2/3, A over B, at saka 7/3. So ito yung examples natin ng ratios using the fraction bar. So ratios in fraction form. Okay, let's have an example. Okay, tingnan natin. Sample number 1. Okay, let's read. In Mang Tonyo's stand, okay, that is fruit stand, there are 2 crates of oranges for every 3 crates of lemons. What is the ratio of every crate of oranges to every crate of lemons? Okay, Tagalogin natin para mas madaling maintindihan. Doon daw sa tindahan ni Mang Tonyo ng mga prutas, sa bawat crate is the container. Okay? Sa bawat container, 2 container ng oranges, merong 3 container ng lemons. Okay? Sa bawat container ng kahel, merong container ng dayap. Yan ang sa wikang Pilipino. Okay, tuloy tayo. What is the ratio of every crate of oranges to every crate of lemons? Okay, pansinin natin, unang binanggit what is the ratio of every crate of oranges? Okay, remember, unang binanggit ang oranges to every crate of lemons. Tingnan natin. Okay? Pictorial representation. Okay, we have 1, 2. Okay, you have 2 crates of oranges for every 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have 2 crates of oranges for every 3 crates of lemons. So you're going to group that. Okay, meron kang dalawang crates ng oranges for every 3 crates of lemons. So when we represent that, ganyan ang itsura niya. So, yung oranges, merong dalawang crates for every 3 crates of lemons. And vice versa, merong 3 oranges, 3 crates of oranges for every 3 crates of lemons. Okay, let's continue. Using numerical representation, we have, okay, that is 2:3. Okay, 2, read that as 2:3 or pwedeng 2:3. Pero ako personally, mas ginagamit ko yung 2:3. Okay, we can read that as 2 is to 5, 10 is to 2, A is to B, C is to D. Okay? Pero pwede rin 2 to 3. Okay? 1 to 2. 9 to 10. Okay? Pwede yun. Okay? Either way, correct yun. Okay, next, we have sample problem number 2. In Mantonio's fruit stand, there are 2 crates of oranges for every 3 crates of lemons. Okay, balik tayo doon, ha? Okay, same given. Merong 2 crates ng oranges, merong 3 crates ng lemons. Pero iba na yung hinahanap natin. Ano yung hinahanap natin? What is the ratio of every crate of oranges? Okay, take note. The ratio of every crate of oranges to the total number of crates of fruits in Mang Tonyo's fruit stand. Okay. Sabi na, to the total number of crates. So, ibig sabihin, yung ratio na ngayon ng crate ng oranges sa kabuuan na ng total ng fruits sa loob ng fruit stand ni Mang Tonyo. Okay, tingnan natin. Pictorial representation. Same given tayo actually. Same given. Okay, 2 oranges for every 3 crates of lemons. Okay, so kung i-group natin sila, there are, ano sabi niya, 2 crates of oranges. 2 crates of oranges for the whole of, to the total number of crates. Okay, kaya pansinin nyo, so nung una, okay, dalawang oranges, then total. So pag total, kasama na yung ating oranges. Okay, so you see? So these are now yung kabuuan na kung ilan mang lahat ng fruits, kasama na yung orange, yun yung hinihingi na ratio. Okay? So you have 2 crates of oranges. Then, sa kabuuan na ng fruits natin, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ulitin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, meaning, the total number of crates in the fruit stand of Mang Tonyo is 5. So, if you are going to have that, you can have it, okay? You can have it as 2 is to 5 or 2 over 5. Ibig sabihin, okay, 2 crates of oranges for the whole store. Kasama na yung orange doon. Okay? So, understand? Hope you have learned something. If you have questions, pakilagay lang po sa ating comment section, and pwede kayong mag-chat sa akin. Pakilagay nyo yung inyong FB account dyan sa comment section, and I will message you through Messenger. Okay? So, yun lang. Keep safe, and abangan natin ang ating next na video regarding proportion. Bibigyan ko kayo ng iba pong mga examples ng ratio at saka ang iba pang mga uri ng proportion. Okay? And yun lang. Bye-bye. God bless. Keep safe. Thank you for watching.